Let's look at Chapter 15, Lesson 3, Practice, Designing a Store. Use this floor plan of a department store to answer the questions below. Which section has the most floor space? Remember, floor space is going to be the largest area. And you can see that the girls' shirts is taking up the largest area. Which section has the largest perimeter? In order to find the perimeter of different areas, I would be able to cut this into a grid. That way I can visualize it better. I start at the aisle, and then I'm cutting about equal pieces going across the rows. And then I go ahead and I start cutting equal pieces going down for columns. Once you have a grid, you can visualize just how much area or perimeter each section has. Remember, again, we're estimating, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Which section has the largest perimeter? Well, I know the girls seems to have the largest area, which would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for the area. Now, I'm going to look at this snack shop area because it's a little bit different. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 for the area of snacks. You can see that the area of snacks has a bigger perimeter than the girls' shirts. If the aisle is 6 feet wide, what is the approximate perimeter of the baby clothes section? Remember, a perimeter is going to be adding up the sides. If I know that the aisle is going to be 6 feet wide, I know this is 6, and this is 6, this is 6, this is 6, and this is 6. And I could probably guesstimate this little area right here is going to be 2. So I'm going to add that up, and I know that 6 plus 6 is 12. So I have 12 and 12 on the sides, and I have 8 plus 8, which is 16. So I have 12 plus 12 plus 16. So I have a perimeter of about 40 feet. If the perimeter of the shoe section is 48 feet, what is the approximate area of this section? When looking at the shoe section, you know that it's a four-sided figure and it looks to be a square. So you want to find something that has 4 equal sides that equals 48. And I know that 4 times 12 equals 48. So if I put the 12s in there, I'm going to be able to find the area. Area, you multiply length times width, so 12 times 12 is going to be 144 square feet. The length of the rectangular garden is 10 times the width. If the width is 4 feet, what is the perimeter of the garden? Explain your reasoning. So I know that length equals 10 times the width. If the width equals 4, I can plug and chug and put in there that 10 times 4 equals 40 feet for the length. So remember, this is just length. So if I know that the length is going to be 40 feet and that the width is 4 feet, what is the perimeter? So to find perimeter, I add up all the sides. So I'd add 40 and 40 for both sides of the length, and then 4 and 4 for the width. 4 plus 4 is 8, and 4 plus 4 is 8. Your final answer would be 88 feet for the perimeter. Make sure that you show all your work.